Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zoeshaaa, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my last Ipsy unboxing. It's been a long time since I came on here and did an Ipsy unboxing video. I think the last one I did was in November. Yeah, because I did have December's footage before I left to go to Jamaica, but I needed space on my phone, had to delete it. And then January and February's I got, but just wasn't in the mood to record. So I have the products and the bags, but yeah. So let's just jump on right into March's Ipsy Glam bag. And again, like I said, this is gonna be my last one. Looking into getting into other subscriptions, monthly subscription boxes and stuff like that. So yeah, but it was a good first time like subscription box experience. For those of you who don't know what Ipsy is a monthly subscription makeup bag box, whatever you want to call it, where they send you five like, what would you call them, small trial size items to try out, and if you like them, obviously you can go on to purchase them. Sometimes the trial size or the small size is the actual size of the product, so you actually do get the full product, but majority of them are not. So yeah, there are a lot of other subscription boxes out there, so if this is something that you're interested in, it was good for me because I was new to makeup. I'm still a beginner, but obviously I've, you know, progressed from where I first started when I first started ordering Ipsy. It was a good experience. It's only $14, $14.99 or $14 a month. In Canada, it comes up to like 20 something with the shipping or whatever the case may be. So it wasn't that bad. And yeah, you can cancel at any time. So I'll be canceling before they give me one for April. So yeah, let's just jump on right into it. It comes in this purpley bag. On the front you have your information, obviously, and yeah, and then you open it and this is what it comes like in this month. The card says, "You are beautiful, pass it on," and it says, "Pretty is as pretty does. Share this card with someone who could use a little love." Aw, that's so cute, and I actually like this. This is really, really cute. This is actually like the theme that I want for my wedding. But anyways, yeah, little inspirations and stuff. I absolutely love this bag. It's a fold over, or it doesn't necessarily have to fold over. They probably folded it over so it could fit in the bag, but I absolutely love this bag. It's a blush color with this little net type of design on it. It doesn't actually come off, so it's attached to the material, which is really, really cool. And the like enhancements on it are rose golds, and that's like the new in thing. So up. All right, let's just jump on right into it. The first thing that I see in the bag is Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. So it's a moisturizer. It says it's designed to meet the demands of dull, tired, and dehydrated skin, rich in humectants and antioxidants. This regenerative cream is instantly absorbed to plump and hydrate, giving skin an age-defying boost. It is excellent for every skin type and in all climates. So I got a moisturizer. Next, I got something from Eyeko London. This is their water-resistant liquid brow liner. Okay, black, I don't know, but it says fat brow liquid liner, shade to fill, light to medium. So this is what it looks like, or the packaging, I should say, at least. Come now. Okay, so I think I've gotten something from Eyeko London before. Oh, okay. Wow, and it comes on very, very light. I hope you guys can see it. Very, very light. So I'm gonna actually try this and see how it goes. Woo! Okay, they sent me a blending brush from Mott. This is what that looks like. Little aqua rose gold blending brush. Okay, I'm adding to my brush collection. Up. Next, I got this peach blush from Ofra Cosmetics. I've heard a lot about Ofra from like a lot of people here on from a lot of people here on YouTube. So this is a peach blush. That's what the peach blush looks like. You guys can see it. You know, you could probably use that as a highlighter too. Okay. And last and not least, and then I got a Photo Chic dark spot corrector from City Color. I don't really think I have dark spots, so I don't really know if I'll be using this, but that's all that I got for my last Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy, thank you so much. Like I said, there have been some difficult times with getting my packages, but I think overall I've loved what I've received in my packages. So yeah, if you have not seen any of my other Ipsy Glam unboxings, check them out and see what products I've had. And yeah, now I kind of know a few certain things, fun things and yeah, so yeah, I will see you guys in my next unboxing video. You just got to stay tuned and see which company I start receiving products from next. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching.
You a poker, you throw me a slash.